Now, fuming over the insult to our braves, Union Minister Smriti Irani takes on the Congress leader Revanth Reddy, says that this is only what is expected from the Congress and they will never respect the bravery of our jawans. Listen in.
मुझे लगता है कि तेलंगाना चीफ मिनिस्टर को अपनी कुर्सी की चिंता करनी चाहिए। वो अब तक मात्र गांधी खानदान के एटीएम है। बहुत जल्द गांधी खानदान नए एटीएम का निर्माण तेलंगाना में करेगी, ये वो भी जानते हैं।
For more on this, we have Rishabh with us. Rishabh, the INDI bloc leaders day after day are insulting the bravery of our jawans. This is a question, and just in polls, they are raising doubts over the bravery of our jawans.
Well, definitely, one after another, we have heard senior Congress leaders, senior India Alliance leaders questioning Pulwama, questioning Balakot, and that is something that has given more fuel to BJP. BJP in turn is saying that the opposition leaders are doing nothing but embarrassing our soldiers. They are demotivating the brave work that has been done by our soldiers in past, and this is something which is anti-national to say the least. This is what the BJP is saying, and in the thick of poll, this has become the talking point. Remember, after the former Punjab Chief Minister Channi said the way, questioning the Pulwama, for that matter, the leaders in Maharashtra have said. We have heard Manishankar Iyer just the day before yesterday, the video came out where he is talking about how one should respect Pakistan. There have been words coming in from Kashmir as well, where Abdullahs have been talking that how dialogue with Pakistan is required. The government of India and BJP is very clear that with Pakistan there cannot be any dialogue. Terrorism and dialogue cannot go hand in hand. And apart from that, the way the Congress leaders are raking up Pulwama every now and then, BJP believe that that is something which is anti-national in nature and should not have happened, and that's the reason that we are sharing it from Smriti Irani or senior leaders of BJP, including the Prime Minister, who are now aggressive on the opposition for questioning what happened in Pulwama or what happened in Balakot.